Students, this is Dev's Academy. We are still continuing the same chapter, indices, laws of indices. Today you will get some 4 short problems. The first one is that if 2 to the power x equal to 4 to the power y equal to 8 to the power z and 1 by 2x plus 1 by 4y plus 1 by 8z equal to 4, find the value of x. This is a problem. Now the solution. Given that 2 to the power x equal to 4 to the power y equal to 8 to the power z. Therefore, 2 to the power x equal to 4 equal to 2 square to the power 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2y and 8z, that is 2 to the power 3z. Therefore, x equal to 2y, x equal to 2y and size z. This is, that is y equal to x by 2 and z equal to x by 3. Now, putting the value of y and z in this equation, 1 by 2x plus 1 by 4y plus 1 by 8z equal to 4, we will get 1 by 2x, 4y, 4 into value of y equal to x by 2, and value of z equal to x by 3 equal to 4. Now this is 2 will cancel out and this will be 2x again. This is 2x, this is 2x, 1 by 2x, 1 by 2x plus this is 8x by 3 equal to 4. Now LCM of this 2x and 8x is 8x, and adding this we are getting 4, 3, that is 11 by 8x equal to 4. That is 32x equal to 11. Therefore x equal to 11 by 32. This is the solution or answer, you may say. Question number 2. If 9 to the power n into 3 to the power 2, that is 3 square, into 3 to the power n minus 27 to the power n by 3 to the power n into 2 whole to the power 3 equal to 3 to the power minus 3, so that n minus n equal to 1. Now we will solve it. It is given that 3 to the power 9 to the power n, that is 3 to the power 2n, 3 square 3 to the power n minus this is 27 to the power n, so it is 3 to the power 3n, and this is 3 to the power m into 3m, 2 to the power 3, that is 2 cube, and this is 3 to the power minus 3. Now this 2n and 3n, this is 3 to the power 3n and this is 3 square means 9 minus 3 to the power n by this is 3 to the power 3m, this is 3 to the power 3m, it will be 3 to the power 3m. It is written wrongly, it is written that 3 to the power 3m into 8 equal to 3 to the power minus 3. That is 3 to the power n is taken common. Here 3 to the power n and 3 to the power n is taken common, and this is 9 here minus 1. Now 3 to the power 3m into 8 equal to 3 to the power 3. This is 3 to the power n by 3 to the power m. This is 8 and that is also 8. This 8 and that 8 will cancel out each other, and there will be only 3 to the power 3n by 3 to the power m equal to 3 to the power minus 3. Now 3 to the power 3n and this 3 to the power m, it will go upward and it will be minus 3m equal to 3 to the power minus 3. Or if you take minus 3 common, then the figure is like this: 3 to the power minus 3 into m minus n equal to minus 3 to the power 3. That is 3 to the power a minus 3 to the power minus 3 into a minus n equal to minus 3, because the bases are the same, 3 base. So this power is equal to this power. So you can cancel out like this way. 3 a minus n equal to a minus n equal to minus 3 by minus 3. That is a minus n equal to 1, and hence it is proved that m plus n, m minus n equal to 1. It is proved here. You should write here proved, not answer. This is not answer, so that this is proved. Proved. Now question number 3. It is given that we have to solve for x. 13 to the power root over of x equal to 4 to the power 4 minus 3 to the power 4 minus 6. The solution is 13 to the power root over x equal to 4 to the power 4 minus 3 to the power 4 minus 6. And 4 to the power 4 equal to 256, and 3 to the power 4 equal to minus 81. This is minus 3 to the power 4 and 6. That is 13 to the power root over x equal to 169. By adding and subtracting this, we will get 169. That is 13 to the power x equal to 13 square. Therefore, we can easily say that root over x equal to 2, root over x equal to 2, or root over x whole square equal to 2 square, or x equal to 4. This is answer. This is solve for x. Question number 4 and the last question, today's last question. If 3 to the power 4x equal to 81 to the power minus 1 and 10 to the power 1 by y equal to 0.0001, find the value of 2 to the power minus x into 6 to the power 16 to the power y. The solution is that at first we have to find out from this value of x and from this value of y. Now 3 to the power 4x equal to 81, or 3 to the power 4x equal to, this is 3 to the power 4, because 81 equal to 3 to the power 4 and it is minus 1, that is 4 into minus 1 equal to minus 4. That is 4x equal to minus 4. Therefore x equal to minus 1. From this we have got the value of x, and from that 10 to the power minus 1 equal to 0.0001, that is 1 by, after 1 4 zeros, that is 10 to the power minus 4, 10 to the minus 4, that is 10 to the power minus y equal to 10 to the power minus 4. Therefore 1y equal to minus 4, or y equal to 1 by 4. From here we have got the value of y, and this is x. Therefore 2 to the power x into 16 to the power y equal to 2 to the power minus of, this is minus 1, into 16 to the power 1 by 4. 16 to the power 1 by 4. That is 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power minus 1 plus 1, and this is 4. 16 equal to 2 to the power 4 into minus 1 by 4. 4 will cancel out, and this is 2 to the power minus 1, that is 2 to the power minus 1 equal to half. This 4 and this 4 will cancel out, and 2 to the power minus 1. 2 to the power minus 1 by 2, and this 2 and this 2 will cancel out each other mutually, and it is 1. That is 2 to the power x, 2 to the power minus x into 16 to the power minus 1 equal to 1. This is proof, or you may say this is the value. Dear students, you will get solve problems like this way in my tuition classes. Next I will start logarithms. Before logarithm I have to finish this indices. That's all today. Thank you.